Mobile charging base. 260K resistance. Resistance connecting with charging base positive pin. 5 mm LED positive side connecting with resistance. Second LED positive side connecting with resistance. (4007 diode). Diode positive side connecting with LED negative side. Diode negative side connecting with second LED negative side. Transistor BC547. Transistor collector pin connecting with resistance. Transistor base pin connecting with diode negative side. 1K resistance. 1K resistance connecting with diode negative side. Other side of resistance connecting with transistor emitter pin. 160 ohm resistance. Resistance one side connecting with base negative pin. Resistance second side connecting with 1K resistance. Battery holder. .7 battery 18650. .5 battery charger. Charging start. Then battery is low, red LED is bright.